वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मैथ्स वर्ल्ड जीएम सर चैनल। आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है। फ्रैक्शंस मैथमेटिक्स का बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है। फ्रैक्शंस के डेफिनेशन से लेके हर एक सम को हम बहुत ही ध्यान से समझते हुए अपने बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट को अगर स्ट्रांग कर लेते हैं तो जैसे जैसे हम बड़ी क्लास में जाएंगे तो फ्रैक्शंस के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने में हमें कोई भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा और हम आसानी से हर एक सम को सॉल्व करते हुए जाएंगे। 6th स्टैंडर्ड से हम लोग सीखते हैं फ्रैक्शंस। 3rd 4th 5th से स्टार्ट हो जाता है और 6th स्टैंडर्ड में आ जाने के बाद में फ्रैक्शन से रिलेटेड सम्स आते हैं और 8th तक आप जैसे जाओगे तो फ्रैक्शंस से आगे एडवांस होके जब नेगेटिव नंबर्स आना शुरू हो जाते हैं तो वो रैशनल नंबर होते हैं और उसमें कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए बेसिक फ्रैक्शन का हमें बहुत ज़रूरी होता है नॉलेज होना। उसके बाद के हर एक चैप्टर में जो लास्ट का पार्ट होता है सम सॉल्व करते समय, हर एक में फ्रैक्शंस बहुत ही जो है बाहर आते रहते हैं। फ्रैक्शंस का जो सिंप्लीफिकेशन पार्ट है हर एक प्रॉब्लम में, जो लास्ट का पार्ट होता है वो फ्रैक्शनल होता है और हम उसको सॉल्व करते हैं तो उसमें कई बच्चे जो हैं गलतियां करते रहते हैं। तो इन गलतियों को ठीक करने के लिए फ्रैक्शंस आपको रिवाइज करना होता है और अगर फ्रैक्शन आप शुरू से अच्छी तरह से सीख के जाते हैं तो आपको बड़ी क्लास में किसी भी तरह का प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है सम सॉल्व करने में। तो आइए फ्रैक्शंस को हम ध्यान से सीख लें। पहले आप इस वीडियो में डेफिनेशन ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस, टाइप ऑफ फ्रैक्शंस, कन्वर्शन ऑफ प्रॉपर improper fraction to mixed fraction and mixed fraction to improper fractions, ये आप सीख लेंगे। तो आप देखते रहिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर कीजिए। कभी भी कोई भी टॉपिक चैनल में आप देखते समय हमेशा अपने पास एक नोटबुक और पेन रखिए जिससे कि सारे पॉइंट्स आप नोट कर सकें। ध्यान से देखेंगे, आप नोट करेंगे और अगर आपको कोई डाउट होता है तो आप कमेंट में लिख के भेज सकते हैं। आपका डाउट हम दूर करने की कोशिश करेंगे। तो ये टाइम वेस्ट किए बिना हम सम सीखते हैं। वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय मैथ्स क्लास एट जीएम सर का चैनल। टुडे यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट फ्रैक्शंस। So what is a fraction? So whenever we talk about the fraction, you must get the idea of pieces, parts, all that things. So here we have, suppose an object which is whole. Whole means the complete object. In this, suppose you have parts the whole object is divided into parts. So this one is a part, this is also a part, this is also a part, and this is also a part. One thing we must note that all parts are equal. All parts are equal. So here we have whole means complete objects and part means all parts are equal. So what is a fraction? Now we can say that a fraction is a part of whole. Part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. So fraction is equal to part of whole. So out of the whole thing we have one part. So this part is in the fraction is the numerator, and the whole complete thing is the denominator. So the numerator is denoted by capital N and the denominator is D. So here we can say one part, suppose this is a part, it is a shaded part. So shaded part is 1. Total parts in these objects are 4, and unshaded part are 3. So the fraction of shaded part is equal to 1 by 4. One part and the whole is 4. So it is 1 by 4. And the fraction of unshaded part equal to 3 by 4. So that's it in the definition of the fraction. In the next video you will learn about the types of the fractions. We are going to learn about the types of fractions. We have 3 types of fractions. First is proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Here numerator is less than the denominator, that is here you have 1 by 3, 2 by 5, 6 by 7, 9 by 10. In all this you find that numerator is less than the denominator. So all these fractions are proper fraction. And the next type 2 is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is more than, or you can say greater than, the denominator, that is 5 by 4, 7 by 6, 3 by 2, 4 by 3. So all these are improper fraction. So if you want to understand picto by using the pictures, then you can say here, if you suppose you want fraction, here you can say out of 4 parts, 2 parts are shaded. So shaded portion is equal to 2 by 4, which is also you can say 1 by 2. So it is half of that. So it is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. So shaded portion. Now improper fraction, how to understand pictorially about the improper fraction. Suppose you have 2 objects like this, you can say like this, 2 objects suppose you have, and each object is divided into 4 parts, then this objects one is shaded completely, here this is 4 parts, one complete, so 1 equal to 4 by 4, and here 1 out of 4. So you find here total is 4 plus 1, and the part of each objects are 4, so it is 5 by 4. So we have improper fraction like this, one complete object and the total parts of an object is the denominators, and the shaded parts are the, this is the portion for shaded part. So the next type of the fraction is mixed fraction. Third type is mixed fraction. In the mixed fraction you have the combination of one whole and the proper fraction, combination of the whole and the proper fraction, whole and proper fraction. So one whole is 1, you can say, plus you can say 2 by 3. So this is equal to 1 2 by 3. So this is called a mixed fraction. One whole objects and this is a part, both are together. So instead of here you can see this one part is equal to 3 by 1 plus 2 by 3. 1 means there are 3 parts of each object. So the object, suppose like this, you have 3 parts, and all 3 parts are completely shaded like this, one complete object which is equal to 3 by 3. And in another object you have 3 parts, same, they are equal, parts are equal. So 2 parts here shaded here, which is equal to 2 by 3. So total parts are 3. So this one is 3 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So it is 5 by 3, which is the improper fraction. This is improper. And suppose we write the fraction like this, 1 2 by 3, then it is the mixed fraction. And actual meaning of this is 1 plus 2 by 3. So they both are equal, 1 plus 2 by 3. So that's it in the types of fractions. You are learning the conversion of mixed fraction and improper fraction. So first is the conversion of improper fraction to the mixed fraction, improper fraction to mixed fraction. Under the fraction you are learning this topic. So let us take one improper fraction. 17 divided by 5 is an improper fraction because here the numerator is more than the denominator. So to convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, you have to divide the 17 by 5. So in 5 table 17, 3 times 15, and remaining is 2. So this is quotient, remainder, and this is the divisor. So this is in the mixed form. You have to write quotient, remainder by divisor. QR by D is the form of mixed fraction, QR by D, which is equals to quotient is 3, remainder is 2, and the divisor is 5. So it is 3 2 by 5. So in the same way you can convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Let us see how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. Conversion of mixed fraction to improper fraction. Mixed fraction to improper fraction. So here suppose you have 3 2 by 5 the mixed fraction. Here to convert this we have to take this one, these two should be multiplied and the answer is added with that. So 5 into 3 plus 2 and whole divided by the divisor 5. 5 3 is 15 plus 2 by 5 which is 17 by 5. So this is the mixed fraction and this is improper fraction we have. Like this you can convert 3 4 by 7, 5 2 by 6 and 7 8 by 9 we can now convert. 7 into 3 plus 4 by 7, 21 plus 4 by 7 is 25 by 7 and 5 6 is 30, 5 into 6 plus 2 by 6. So 5 6 is 30 plus 2 by 6, 32 by 6. Here 7 9 is 63 plus 8 by 6, 63 plus 8 is 71 by 6 and 8 9 by 10 is 10 8 is 80 plus 9, 89 by 10 and also you can see 5 8 by 9, 9 5 is 45 plus 8, 53 by 9 and also you can see 9 10 by 11, so 99 plus 10 is 109 by 11. So this how you have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So that's it in this conversion of mixed fraction, and the same we will do how to again convert 2 or 3 example. Let us see in the conversion of improper to mixed fraction. 25 by 7, 32 by 6 and 109 by 11. Let us see and we will cross check the answer for that. That is 25 by 7. Here you can just divide it. Here itself you can divide 7 25. In 7 table 3 times it is 21. 4 is the remainder. So when QR by D you are going to write QR by D. So Q is 3, R is 4 by 7. We can check 7 3 is 21 plus 4, 25 by 7. And next for this is you have 32 by 6, 5 times 32 is the remainder. So this is Q, this is R and this is D. So again QR by D, you can say QR by D. So it is 5 2 by 6. And for this one you have 109 divided by 11, 9 times 99, subtract it. So it is Q R by D. So Q is 9, R is 10 by 11. So 9 10 11 9 is 99 plus 10, 109, 109 by 11. So that's it. You can have, now you can see and cross check. See 3 4 by 7 is 25 by 7, mixed to improper, and 25 by 7 is 3 4 by 7 improper to mixed fraction, and 5 2 by 6 is equal to 32 by 6 mixed to improper, and 32 by 6 equals to 5 2 by 6, so improper to mixed fraction. In the same way, here 9 10 by 11, 109 by 11, and 109 by 11 is 9 10 by 11. So that's it in this conversion of mixed to improper fraction. Very basic thing you have to learn properly, and the next video we will see how to write the equivalent fractions, what are equivalent fractions, unit fractions, like fractions and unlike fractions. In the next video we will watch. Thank you, friends.